Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are back with another holiday makeup look, but now we're on the traditional route. If you saw my last video, you saw I did a pink / burgundy makeup look just because I don't think I ever done one, and I know some people don't want to do the whole traditional black smoky eye with the red lip, but I just love this look and I just think it's perfect for holidays, for Christmas, for New Year's, for a date night, for out with your girls, whatever the occasion is. I think this is another perfect look for that. So if you want to see how I got this look, then to continue to keep watching, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your post notification to get notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, let's just get into this makeup look. Alright you guys, so let's hop into this video. I don't want to make this super long. I'm not going to really talk that much in this video, I don't think, just because again I don't want this video to be super long, and I've shown these products plenty of times in my videos, so everything that I use I'll link it down below. But yeah, we're just going to do this traditional makeup look, just because, you know, you always need an updated makeup holiday look, you know what I mean? So that's what we're just going to do today. So I'm just going to put on my primer, okay? And while my primer is sitting, I'm just going to do these brows. And because this is a holiday look, we're just going to go a little bit more fancier with the brows. I usually just use a regular eyebrow pencil, but I think I'm going to use a pomade today, so. Alright, so eyebrows are on. It took us a minute, but the eyebrows are on. So now we're going to start working on the eyes first. This is what I prefer to do, just because the rest of the face, I don't really take that long to do the face. I usually take more longer on the eyes than anything. So like I said, this is going to be a traditional smoky eye makeup look, and I'm using two palettes today. I'm using my ms.cosmetics and my Milani Bold Obsessions palettes today. So these are what that looks these look like. So if you have these palettes, you can definitely use it. Most likely you're just going to need a neutral palette that has all the brown tones and a black and a pop of shimmer in the palettes, because that's what, you know, this is what you wear for the traditional holidays. And I'm also going to try these again. If you saw my last video, you saw I was having issues with one was sticking fine, but the other one was not trying to stick right, so I don't know what's up with that. But I'm going to use these again just because, again, I want a very sharp eye look. So yeah, I'm not going to talk through this. I am going to show you guys the colors that I'm using, but I'm not going to talk through this just because, again, like I stated in the beginning of this video, I don't want this to be a million years long, so. one eye halfway done. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just so we can save some time, but so far looking so good. So let me do this eye and then we'll be back to do the face and finish up the look, okay? All right, you guys, so this is what the eyes are looking like right now. We about to, you know, do it up. So I'm taking my AOA Studio Buttercream Gel Liner in the color Licorice, which is a matte black, but we're not going to do a full wing. We're just going to do a line across, so that way the focus can be mainly on the eyes and not the sharp ass wing that we want to have. And for mascara, I'm taking my Maybelline Snap Mascara, and these are the lashes that we're going to use today. These are from AliExpress. They are the E11s. Again, everything will be linked down below, and I'm also just going to go ahead and do the bottom lash. And for the bottom lash, I'm just going to take this brown here in the middle from the ms.cosmetics palette, and we're going to line our eyes with the Kiss retractable blackness black in our waterline. And then it's eyes, so that's what we're going to do.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Alright, you guys, so this is how the face is coming out, or how it came out so far. So now all we have left is lips. So for lips, I'm taking this Revlon Color Stay in the color Raisin. It's not really a brown or a... Oh, well, no, I'm not taking that because it broke on me. You see, let me see if it still works. Okay, nope. Dang, this would have been perfect So let me see if I have something else. Okay, so I actually have a red from Milani. It's called Cherry Pie. I mean, I wasn't trying to use this, but because it doesn't match the lip color that I'm going with, but it's going to have to do today because I'm going to do a red lip. I don't think I've ever done a red lip on this channel, but I mean, I just think it just calls for a red lip. I know it looks crazy, trust. So now I'm taking this Alter Ego matte liquid lipstick in the color Vanity. Now I talked about this in my Alter Ego review, how drying these are. So make sure your lips are moisturized and scrubbed and stuff, because these are super dry. So it will show every crook and cranny of your lips. So y'all about to see every crook and cranny of my lips, because I did not moisturize, nor did I actually, you know what, let me go ahead and just make that move right now, because I didn't moisturize or none of that. We need to clean it up, just because with reds they get so messy. You just need to clean it up. Okay, you guys, and I think we got the look. I think this is such a beautiful traditional makeup look, and I love it. I hope you guys loved it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video. This is my second holiday makeup look. I told you guys I was going to try to bring them out. Again, this wasn't the video I had planned, but you know, I thought, why the hell not? How can you not just do a traditional makeup look on your channel, girl? How can you not? So I love it. Again, I hope you guys did, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.